Hello again. Today I'm going to show you one of the ways that we cook, well, Suzanne cooks, while we're away in the camper van. It's an air fryer, come oven, come grill, come this, come that. It's got everything on it except the microwave. This particular one that we've got here, it runs at about 43 to 48 pounds and I got it off Amazon. I got one of the more expensive ones, and to be honest, besides one dial, there's no real difference in between the two, except that one cost £200, so I sent that back. This one for 40 some pounds does exactly the same. It doesn't have a microwave on it, because that's one of the things that we don't use. We don't use a microwave. It's rated at 1,400 watts, but even turned up full blast, I've only ever got it to register 1,100 watts. So it's fairly economical on power. The other good thing about it with all air fryers is they'll get up to temperature, they'll then cut themselves off until they cool down, turn themselves back on, so they're not using that constant wattage all the time. And wattage and amp hours, they're the be all and end all when you're in your camper van. To be honest, this one, it does more than enough for both of us. It's big enough for both of us. You can put a big pile of chips in it, a couple of trays of lasagna, whatever you want basically. I'll turn you around and I'll show you this. Right, let me show you this air fryer then. So basically you've got a timing knob and then your temperature that goes from 0 up to 230 degrees. What you get with this is you'll get a grill tray, baking tray, not too sure. You'll get an handle so you can pull out your trays without burning yourself. This one, I dare say this basket's going to be for chips and things like that. And then you'll get a baking tray as well. So let me pop that one out of the way. So if you wanted to make toast in the morning, this will actually make toast faster than an electric toaster will. Pop your bread on it, pop it in, set your temperature to whatever you want it for. If you're doing toast, just turn it up full blast and just turn your timer. And that's basically it. Everybody's got an air fryer. This one is just not like one of those basket ones where you're literally reaching down into it. So if you want to put one of those ready meals inside your oven, it's simple enough to pop it on the tray and slide it in, slide it back out again. Power wise, it's really efficient. Value for money, under 50 quid, I think it's a bargain. We just literally slot underneath this unit, and to stop it flying out when we go around corners on two wheels, I've just got a bungee cord going across it, but literally that is it. They come in a few different colours. It's a bargain. There's not a lot else to say for this. Well, that's it. That's the air fryer. Basically short and sweet, self-explanatory. Literally, I think everybody's got an air fryer in their house now. So why not in the van? Yeah, I know you can get these with built-in microwaves, but as I said, we don't use a microwave. We should be setting sail shortly. It's not long now before we get this van into the garage and get this annoying DPF problem sorted out that's crippling us at the moment. Well, I would ask you, big favour please, if you could like it, subscribe, leave a comment. I think YouTube, they've even got a hype button on it, and it really helps the channel if you click on the like or the hype, whichever you come across first. But it really will help us, especially when we set off on some of these more expensive trips that we're going to be doing, like up to the Arctic Circle, different parts of Europe. Hopefully, once we get this sorted, this DPF, about 3 weeks' time, we're going to be nipping across to Berwick-on-Tweed because there's a cafe there, Marshall's. I really want to go try their burgers. I'm starving. Those of you that know me, I've lost a ton of weight. Since January, I've dropped 35 kilos, at least 35 kilos, since I last weighed myself a week or so ago. So I think I deserve a little treat. Should be another video next week. I've just had something delivered, so what goes in must come out. And I'll show you how we're going to deal with that problem. Bye-bye.